In this video, I will show you how to convert almost any video file into the MP4 format using a free program called Handbrake. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave a like under this video. This is one of the most popular video conversion tools because it is completely free, easy to use, and supports many different video formats. First, download and install Handbrake on your computer. Once the installation is finished, launch the program and drag the video you want to convert directly into the Handbrake window. The software will automatically load the file and display all available settings. Next, go to the Summary tab and make sure the output format is set to MP4. This is usually the best option because MP4 works on almost every device, website, smartphone, and media player. After that, open the Video tab. If you want to preserve as much quality as possible, move the quality slider all the way to the right and set the value to 0. This will keep the video very close to the original quality, although the file size may remain relatively large. If your goal is to reduce the file size while still maintaining good image quality, set constant quality to around 20. This is a popular setting that often provides a great balance between visual quality and storage space. Before starting the conversion, you can choose where the new file should be saved by clicking Browse at the bottom of the window and selecting your preferred destination folder. Once everything is configured, click Start Encode at the top of the program. Handbrake will begin converting the video into MP4 format. Depending on the size and length of the video, this process may take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes. When the conversion is complete, your new MP4 file will be ready to use, upload, share, or play on almost any device. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.